Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, in this video we will see some of the basic command of Ubuntu and we will try to get familiar with it so that when we will use it, we know its basic command and we don't face any problem for it. Now let's find a terminal, open the search bar. Now just you need to type command as I've already written here. So here is the terminal, now double click and start. Before that we will discuss some basic command before installing, before using it. Now the first command that we use is ls. Basically ls is used to show all our directories for where we are. Now if we want to use it on a more enhanced version of ls, there was a one more enhanced version of ls, that is ls minus a, and the here ls command is show all the current directory that we can also see it from here. When we open this file we can see all this directory is present there. Now like you can see desktop, music, video, so all that directory you can get with ls. But if you want some hidden directory also to see this, you can use ls minus a for all. You need to just type, you will get all the hidden directory also that are present there. Now one more enhanced version is ls minus l. ls minus l is the another variant of ls, and in this we will get all the directory but with its all detail. Now you can see this, I've got all who is the user and the date of it and all the directory. Now our screen has got full. Now to clear it, I just use a command called clear. Once I will type this, I can get a cleared screen. But that doesn't mean the previous command that we have used is gone. Once you will move up, you can see all our used command. Now it will just provide a blank or cleared screen. So that's it. And the next command that we will use it for finding any help. If we know any command and we don't know its use, so we can just need for helping, we need to type man and then the command name from which we have. If I want to know about ls command, what are its uses, I need to just type man ls. Once I will type this, I will get all its like descriptions, list information about the file, what are its uses, and for coming out from this just press q. uh, if you want any help in this command, you can just use the man command. Next command is used for finding any file. If I have to find any file, I just need to type find and then the file name. Currently I don't have any file, but if I have more than 1, 2, 3 files with the same name like sample1, sample2, sample3, something like that, then I will, and I don't know, I just need to type sample dot asterisk. Dot asterisk is used to show all the current, all the files that start with sample. But right now I don't have any file. Or in case if you know the file, you can just directly type find or then file name. And the next command that we're going to use is who am I. So who am I command is generally is used to tell who you are and with what permission you are currently using the system. In case if I type who am I will get I'm the root user, that is Sam. So you if you will guest user or any additional users, then you can get your with what permission you are using. So to see this, you can type who am I. The next command that we use is pwd. Now pwd is used for print working directory. It tells the which directory we are. Now if I will type this, you can see this, I am the home. So if I install any applications and I want to know my current location, I can use this pwd command. This will show my location from where current I am. If you want to go back, then go back, or if you want to install there, you can install it. Now there's some more command also we will see, like cd ls command. It will show all our directory. Now from here is the document folder. And if I want to go inside a document folder, I just need to type cd current directory and then the name, that is document, cd document and with slash. So here, now you can see this. Now I came into inside the document folder to see whether anything present in not on document folder. I just need to type ls. It will show no directory there inside the document. Now if I want to make any file inside this document folder or in, I just need to type mkdir, make directory, and then the name, that is like hello. It will make a directory with the name hello. Now again if I will type ls, I will get, we can see this hello directory is present here. Now go inside the hello. If you want to see whether it has anything or not, just I need to type cd then hello. Now I'm inside the hello. Now I just type ls to see whether anything is there or not in this directory. So nothing is there. Now if I want to go back from hello, I just need to type cd then space then dot dot. Make sure you give space between cd and the dot dot. It will make you back. Now you can see this. I have again come to the document from hello. I just come out for one step backward. So I just need to type cd space dot dot. Now if I want to remove this directory, to remove this I just type rm dir and the name, that is hello. Now if I will again check, I just type ls command. You can see this no directory is present, but currently we have created a hello, but right now we have deleted it. Now if you want to open any notepad or that is nano or the previous with Ubuntu, to use that click on type nano and then name of the file, like again I just type open a notepad. From here you can type any command that we use, any text that we want to save. I just type hello, hello from Ubuntu. Now for exit it, just control or X. Control X. Now it asks to save. I just press Y. Now it asks to file name HW. Yeah, file name to write HW. That current file. Yes. Okay. Now you can see I will type ls. It will show HW. This is now we have opened a nano and saved this file name. And to come out, I just press Ctrl F. Now this is it for this video. In next video we will see